Hello. Okay, hello. So, as long as I can remember, I've been a child of God, attending church on Sundays and going to Christian schools.
咁由我係懂事起嚟嘅時候咧，我覺得我自己係天父嘅孩子嚟嘅，因為咧我覺得係成日都會去禮拜日啦，做崇拜啦，亦都係去一個基督徒嘅學校。
Following that notion, my parents have always supported my journey with Christ, guiding me through any problems and struggles, pointing to God as my lighthouse and cornerstone.
咁咧，因為咁咧，咁我都係感恩啦，父母都係陪我，同埋係帶領我，令到我可以感覺到係指引我係神咧係我嘅燈，我腳前嘅燈咯。
However, the issue that many people in my situation face is finding the difference between choosing to follow the Lord and just following the people around you.
咁我覺得咧喺我呢個情況底下，我覺得有大家都明㗎啦，我係要選擇係真係行神嘅路，跟從神啦，定係其實我跟緊人呢？
Confronting this issue, I can assure you that 5 years ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I could not have answered that question.
咁啊，再諗深一層咧，如果你問我啊，2年前、3年前啦，或者5年前啦，我真係答唔到呢個答案，我係跟邊個？
Fresh out of elementary school and going to an international Christian school, I had been surrounded by Christian ideology.
咁我係由小學啦嚇，小學畢咗業之後咧，就去中學啦。中學咧嗰個都係一個基督徒學校，所以不停咧都係圍繞住我咧係一個基督徒嘅環境長大。
I admit that I was in a bubble, surrounded by similar people telling me similar stories and experiences.
咁我就真係覺得我自己係我明嘅，我好似喺一個保護罩入邊，係好多係同啲人咧講嘅説話或者講嘅故事啊，都同我講都差唔多嘅。
Although, as I grew older and matured, I decided to continue following the path of God, strengthening my faith in Him and desiring to learn more about Him.
咁當我係慢慢長大嘅時候，我覺得我決定係真係跟從耶穌，我真係決定係真係慢慢一步一步咁樣係同佢一齊咯。
Luckily, through the education from my school, I found myself growing closer to God and finding others to relate in my journey.
咁我好感恩啊，因為真係學校啊、校園啊、社會上邊咧，都好多係同行者一齊，咁我都係揾到好多人同我一樣咁樣係經歷咯。
Year by year, God's words changed me. Through Bible classes and exams and projects, my knowledge of the Bible and Scripture expanded.
咁係一年過一年啦，咁都好感恩啦。無論係學校啊、做功課啊，或者睇聖經啊、聖經班啊嗰啲咧，我覺得係真係漸漸我真係覺得神嘅話語，明白神嘅話語咯。
Again and again, I could feel myself being guided into a life with God.
咁我覺得我亦都係感覺到每時每刻咧係好似帶領我去行神嗰個路咯。
Appreciating the comfort that He gave me.
我欣賞係神俾我嗰啲所有一切。
For example, this past year of school was extremely difficult for me. I had many commitments, the main one being schoolwork and college preparation.
咁啊，其實我覺得咧，即係今年咧，我都好感恩啦，因為今年即係過咗嗰年咧，學校咧真係好多嘢做，無論係考試啊，無論係要預備啊，plan 緊去大學啊嗰啲嘢咧，我都覺得係困難嘅。
Thankfully, God has never stopped gracing me with support.
但感恩嘅就係亦都係見得到神咧係冇離棄過我，感恩佢係真係同我俾到好多係支持我。
And He has never given up on me.
咁佢真係冇離棄過我。
And with the helpful guidance of my teachers, I was able to overcome my challenges.
咁亦都感恩係好多係我啲老師啊，或者係同道人啦，都係令到我可以經歷到同埋過到呢個難關。
Furthermore, through a spiritual event called Vita at my school, I believe the community of Christ was revealed to me.
咁我感覺到咧喺我學校有個退休會叫做 Vita 啦，咁我真係好感受到咧係神嗰個同在同埋神嗰個一齊咯。
I've truly felt that I could reach out to people and they would care about me.
咁我真係感受到我可以真係同人傾偈，咁人哋都係會關顧我，會體諒我。
Therefore, today I'm ecstatic and grateful for the opportunity to give my testimony.
所以今日我係好開心，係真係可以今日站喺台上同你哋講呢番説話。
And to show what it meant for me to be baptized.
咁亦都係俾你哋大家都知道係我感受係乜嘢。當我係真係受浸嘅時候，
Through the classes in my youth ministry at this church, I have been taught the true meaning and the significance of baptism in a follower's journey through Christ.
咁喺呢個係教會啊，同埋係呢個年青人嘅小組啦嚇。咁我都學到好多嘢，學到係洗禮啊個真嘅意義咯。
Baptism is not just a representation of being born again through Christ, but it also shows a follower's belief and admittance of the faith in the death and resurrection of Jesus.
咁我知道咧就係洗禮咧唔係淨係洗咗同神係活着，而係洗咗係我嘅經歷同埋我係同神一齊咁樣係行。
Jesus first showed his followers the act of baptism when he baptized in the river Jordan by John the Baptist.
咁啊，耶穌咧第一次咧係教我哋點樣洗禮咧，就喺約翰嗰個洗禮嗰個情景。
And for that reason, I followed in Jesus' footsteps and was baptized, proudly declaring my commitment with Christ.
咁因為咁嘅緣故咧，我真係好開心，亦都好自豪，可以係真係即係洗禮咯嚇，同神一齊行咯。
Moving forward, I hope to continue living in him, trusting him to lead me through all my endeavors.
咁啊，尾聲咧，我都係即係感恩，同埋咧，我期望咧，我可以係日後都係繼續咁決意，繼續係跟從耶穌，繼續係行我要行嗰條路咯。
I aim to live a life with him and plan to live my life as best as I can in his word.
我期望我亦都係願意係行用我嘅生命而繼續係同神而行，亦都係繼續係願意係俾我生命耶穌係長大住咯。
And in the future, I also hope to aid others in their walk with Christ.
咁我亦都期望日後咧，我亦都係有個可能性嚇，可以輔助或者幫助其他人可以接受或者知道神咯。
Thank you.
唔該。